What's up? This is Mechanics Garage coming at you again. Today we are working on a 2008 Chevrolet Suburban 1500. We are doing wheel bearings. Some people call them hub bearings, but we like to just change the whole wheel bearing assembly. So as he's down here cranking stuff loose, a couple things you got to do once you get your wheel off is you want to take off your brake caliper, take off your caliper bracket, and then remove your rotor. So what you want to try to do when you first start out is go ahead and compress in your caliper. Use like a C-clamp to compress the brake pad a little bit, and that'll help to free it up. So another way you can actually do this, instead of removing your brake pads and your caliper and all of that stuff, you could actually do everything all in one shot if you just go and loosen up your back bolts. These back here are 18 millimeter. Go ahead and kind of wiggle your caliper around. You can take those bolts off, and then you should be able to slide the whole caliper assembly out. And then you just want to hang that up somewhere. You don't want that just dangling off of your brake cable. All right, so now you go ahead and remove your disc, which we've already taken off. Then there's actually 3 bolts that you want to take loose. That's one of them there. There's another one here, and there's a third one down there. Those are 15 millimeters. You want to go ahead and unscrew all of those. And then once you do that, also disconnect your speed sensor or ABS sensor from the car. All right, so now that you've removed all 3 of your bolts, here comes the fun part. So this thing is on here using compression. So let me grab a light. So if you had a 4-wheel drive, there'll be a hole in here where your axle will come through. And you can get a claw tool or like a steering wheel remover. Put that on here, it'll push the axle out, and as it's doing that, it'll pull this bearing off. But since this one is on by compression, you have to actually bang this thing off of here with a sledgehammer. So we're gonna grab the hammer of Thor and hit this thing on the back side as well as hitting it on the top. And then you should start to see this separate right here by the dust shield. So now what you gotta do is you gotta fish your sensor back through the dust shield and make sure that your sensor points in your upper right hand side of your car. Sit those 2 together. You slide that back on. While you're holding it, you're gonna have to feed one of the 15 millimeter screws through the back. Now if you lock down the 15 millimeter bolts, you can go ahead and reattach the speed sensor / your ABS cable. Just go ahead and run that back through the brackets where it was attached originally. Just press that in. Then you're gonna put your rotor back on, and you add your caliper, and you should be all done. All right, y'all. So that's pretty much it. More tips and tricks. Check us out. Follow us on Instagram at The Mechanics Garage. Subscribe on YouTube. Like and subscribe if you like what you saw. Check us out later. Peace.